Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you add a website to your TikTok. So let's get started. First, head over to your profile. Now click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on the settings icon. Then head over to Account. If you see the option Switch to Business Account, go ahead and click on it, then set up your business account. In my case, I already set up my business account, so it says Switch to Personal Account for me. Anyway, once you're done setting up your business account, go back to your profile, then click on Edit Profile. Now you'll see the website option at the bottom here. From here, type in the link to your website, and that's it. By the way, the reason why we need to activate a business account first is because the website option will not be available in the Edit Profile menu if you are not on a business account. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.